Rotating fake hands are put into soapy water, wash out, and then into the bleach. This is a factory that produces medical rubber gloves. The purpose of this is to clean out the residue left from the previous batch of gloves, because even small microparticles can cause the gloves to break. These molds then go through two circular roller brushes. The bristles are then scrubbed from finger crevices and hard-to-reach areas. Finally, the molds are placed in a hot tub for sterilization. After being thoroughly cleaned, the molds are sent on a rotating conveyor to a chemical water bath. Here all the molds are coated with a coating. These molds are then slowly fed into the warm liquid rubber. The liquid rubber reacts with the chemical coating. It turns into a gel and does not stick to the mold. The molds then need to be rotated as they are sent to the oven. This allows the excess liquid rubber to be thrown off. The liquid rubber is vulcanized by the high temperature. This increases elasticity and toughness while curing. Not far from the oven, a brush is waiting for the glove. The brush rolls up the mouth of the glove as it passes by to make it easier to put on and take off. The worker then removes the gloves from the mold. An inspection station in the factory pulls and inflates these gloves, preventing gloves with cracks and holes from reaching the market, since it may not be possible to detect gloves with tiny holes with the naked eye. So workers take a random batch of gloves from the bush and fill them with water to make sure they are safe. Gloves that pass the inspection are sent to the packing area in order to prevent the gloves from sticking when they are squeezed in the box for a long time. The workers also sprinkle the gloves with a tiny amount of cornstarch inside and out. The cornstarch also makes it easier to slip the gloves on when you lose your hand while putting them on. The worker then rolls 100 gloves at a time, placed on a thin sheet of paper and rolled up and stuffed into the box. This way they can be delivered to the frontline medical staff.